I have certainly had my share of backpack sprayers, but I have finally settled on a brand that gives me the functionality and the quality that I need. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of the features of these sprayers and let you decide whether it's something that's right for you or not. Now, one of the first things you're going to notice is that all of these sprayers have a different brand on the front of them. A fun fact is that all of these are under the Girlzlawn umbrella. The first one I got was the Extreme Clean 2.5 gallon sprayer. Next in the lineup is the 2.5 gallon Girlzlawn Storm. And finally, we will take a look at the 4 gallon Spray Mate Tornado. The padding on the straps is more than sufficient, and both backpack sprayers are very comfortable to wear. The dial on the Storm goes from 8 psi up to 60 psi. On the Extreme, you can choose between 75 psi or 110 psi. Both of these sprayers use an 18-volt lithium-ion battery. And for these two models, the batteries are interchangeable. They both come with a high-quality stainless steel wand and the quick connect system, making it easy to change out nozzles. You also get the pressure washer style spray gun. This hose is a 300 psi threaded nylon PVC. This is your standard wand, but Girlzlawn does offer various types of wands to swap out on your sprayer, as well as a nice selection of T-Jet-like nozzles. All of the sprayers have a nice wide opening. Finally, we take a look at the Spray Mate 4 gallon Tornado. This one has the carbon fiber spray wand instead of the stainless steel. It has a 5-foot reinforced PVC hose. Because I have a small yard, I prefer to use the 2.5 gallon sprayers, but every once in a while a bigger task requires the 4 gallon, and this works perfectly. The straps have great padding, but not as much padding for the back. I still find it very comfortable to wear. For this sprayer, we are also working with an 18-volt lithium-ion battery. We have two pressure options, 45 psi or 60 psi. I will be testing each one of them on the highest psi, and they each have a different tip. The tips that I use are the fan tip, the flood jet tip, and the air induction tip. I decided to do a concentrated spray so that it wouldn't dry up as quickly, and you can see the difference here. It was just drying up really fast. I'll do the same on the others. Okay, this is the spray for the Storm. You can see, get a better idea there. And there you have the 4 gallon spray. So as you can see, they have some pretty good spray patterns on them. Very good spray patterns for all of them. As I said, I really do like this brand of sprayer. It's what I plan on sticking to long term for the foreseeable future. So hopefully this review was helpful to you guys. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to contact me and I will answer them to the best of my ability. See you later.